Hi church family, this is Allie, and I'm here to talk about a fun, exciting, easy new way to give. It's called Text2Give. Just open your message app on your phone and text 763-308-1444. In the message line, type tithes, space, and the amount with no decimals. If you are a first-time user, you will receive a response to complete the registration process. Follow the steps to set up a giving account with your information. Also, please save the number 763-308-1444 into your contacts list for future use. Once these steps are completed, it's easy. For example, if you're giving $500, it will be tithes, space, 500 only. You can also stipulate if it's for missions or offering by typing missions, space, and the amount, or offer, space, and the amount. When you return for future donations, it will be fast, simple, and convenient. Remember, for more info about this and other ways to give, go to speaktheword.org.